Good afternoon YouTube, Twisted Tube 13 here again. Just a quick video hopefully. The guy that I've been teaching welding to was trying to make a brake press folder, or a finger folder if you like, but just a standard folder for bending sheet metal. Didn't have much joy, gave him the materials and stuff, got a little bit disheartened, didn't come too much. I think he got the pivots and everything in the wrong way, so I quickly made this one up for him. It's only tacked it together so he can finish it. Hopefully you can see that. These are the arms that run down the bottom, and it runs the entire length there. I've made it just over 4 foot long for him. As you can see, there's the angle there, and as I say, they're the pivots, and they fold up there to bend mild steel. I think it'd do about 1, maybe 1.2 millimeter mild steel. As you can see, there's no top former on there at the moment, which I have cut that. There's one of the holes there, and there the pivots. As I say, it's nothing too spectacular, it's just been sort of tacked together for him to finish off. It's on a bit of channel section. I don't know whether you can see that down there. A little bit of channel section there. Ignore this back piece of angle. That was just something else I was playing with for a different job. But basically I've just left it on there. If he wants to cut it off he can, but it's just on there. I thought it actually might work out if he fixed it in some way. They could use it as a stop if he needed to. So I've just left that on the back. As I say, it's fixed to a piece of channel section. Then this is a piece of 100 by 50 angle going across there, and that is bolted to this channel section by these countersunk bolts there. There's one there and one also there, and as you can see, this is the angle that I was talking about, which is 100mm and 50mm going downwards, and this is the same material here, which is 50 by 50 though, which does the pivoting section. And they're the handles. As I say, they're only tacked on so the guy can finish off, because I've been teaching him to do some welding, so he's going to take this away, fully weld it up, and then I'll check the welding and that for him. It was just to help him out of a bit of a sticky patch, so I will actually send him off with some more material so he can have a go at welding it as well. This is just a standard bolt. Cut the thread off. There is a little bit of thread left there, and then these are just 2 bits of tube that, obviously, this one's tacked to this piece of angle, this one's tacked to this piece of angle here, and these are the fixings that I've drilled for the top die, or top piece of angle basically, is all it is. If I just chuck it on there, as you can see, that piece of angle just bolts on there and there. You just basically put some bolts through there and bolt that angle, bolt that piece of angle down to this piece of angle. Apologies again for the lighting. I've quite a low ceiling here under a mezzanine floor that I've put in, because upstairs I have a wood shop. There's the lights, which I need to sort out, because I just get glare one end and darkness the other end. But just try it this way round. There is how the die works, and then with the die on there, hopefully I can hold that, and the angle there, so hopefully you can see what I mean by he's able to then bend some sheet. These are for some feeders that are going on the end of those feeder stands, or pheasant feeder stands, that I made him a load. He's just now, I've gone over and shown him how to do some welding, and he's just made 50 of them. These are a galvanised feeder that go on the bottom. Hopefully I can get a little video of them to show you what they're like. Well, he's going to have a go at cutting some out. He's using the little Thermoarc Plasmax 30 XP that I've done a little review on. Hopefully we'll go over and see him do some of them, but as I say, this is just a quick little one. These are the little dummy runs that I've done some folding of. Some angle just to make sure that it did work. Some flat plate, and yeah, it seems to work okay. This top die is obviously limited to what angle we can do there. I've actually got a couple of flat pieces of flat stock that I'm going to drill and fix to there that he'll be able to obviously bolt to get a little bit more of a tighter bend and more of an angle on it, but he only needs to do 90-degree angles at the moment. Here's another one that I've done a quick bend on. So yeah, any comments would be welcome. If anyone wants any dimensions or anything, if they just ping me an email and or reply to this video when it goes on, and I'll see if I can do my best for you. But yeah, there it is. Hopefully maybe I'll be able to get a video of him using it in action. He's supposed to be coming to collect it, as I say, and he's going to do the finishing welding. This was just to get him on his way. As I say, there it is again. It will actually go all the way over and back again. So yeah, any comments, just leave a comment in the comment book in the bottom, and I'll reply if I can. But that's just a quick general overview. As I say, this piece again, ignore this piece, it was put on there in for another job. It was what I had laying about, and I thought I'd just use the other side. This actually comes off of that channel section, so he could just mount it direct to his bench if he wanted to. He's the chap that we put the bench in his container. Hopefully I'll be loading that video up soon so you can see, but there's a section that you can have it up in the air also. I suppose it makes it easier for him to get to the bolts underneath, because at the moment he has no holes in his bench, the same as I do not, which I am looking to put in some holes spaced around, similar to the Chucky 2009 done, which are good videos. Chucky 2009, if you carry on doing some more good videos, be much appreciated. Bye for now.